Guys, do you really need a truck mount? Me, I don't. I don't need a truck mount, okay? I will show you exactly what I did. If you haven't seen this video where I showed you how to build your own backup system, okay? Check the link below. It will show you how I did this backup battery, okay? So now, I am going to show you what this thing can do, all right? What it can do. All right, so I had to build this because, you know, I needed to have power from the van to clean carpet, to wash cars and things like that. So as you can see, I have a lot of equipment here, but I didn't have power, so I had to build something. Okay, so watch the video to see how I built this. Now some of you are asking, how do you know this worked? We didn't see you put it to work. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I am getting my cables to show you that the system works. All right, it's gonna look a little messy, guys, because I'm not going to untangle all of this. I'm just going to take the part that I need, which is this right here. I'm going to connect it to the inverter. Okay, I'm going to turn the inverter on. Be my witness. Okay, so I'm going to take this cable and I'm going to connect this extraction machine right here. And now I'm going to kick on this extractor. So if I were to do a carpet, I could just connect my hoses to this machine and I'll do the job just fine. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.